This is a lot of Prime we have in here.
Yeah, probably. We have. By the way, we have. Hi. So we're trying to make a fridge with so much Prime. Yeah.
Wait,
We already completed this.
wait, it's higher. Can you tell the viewers to like and subscribe?
By the way, like and subscribe if you're watching.
How much do you want to get the video to?
Let's try to make this video get 100 likes and 100 subscribers.
Alright, wait.
Do you think it'll happen?
Yeah. Alright, so if you want to know something, look at this. This is the orange Prime.
By the way, we don't have all the pipes in the whole world.
Not really. Yeah, there's no way. We have all orange Cokes and Cokes. More Prime over here. We got different flavors of
By
it.
the way, put in the comments how you think we got all this Prime.
Okay. There's more Prime. By the way, guys, we got some more Prime over here.
Somebody.
We got some ice pops so we can remove this ice. This
Is Prime.
is Ice Pop Prime.
Give me more ice pop. Can I have the phone?
Sure thing.
So this is the person that's holding the camera. Please stand back.
Yes.
Yeah, so this guy is...
Penguins, this mess. Viewers, if you subscribe right now, I'll give you an
Hey,
additional.
Cookie. If you
I want the answer.
do, what? Our dad got it for us.
Yeah.
And you could, and we also got some. We got we got these ones from
They are-
Sam's Club.
Yep. Like here is tropical punch. This one's lemon lime, and this one's blue raspberry. Here's our stock so far. This is a lot of stocking. We have a lot of these. If you want to know something, local stores have been running out of Prime because everyone keeps buying all the Prime.
Okay, they don't sell like any Prime. Guys, Prime is sold out all in the UK, unless you just try to get Prime from America and then sneak it into a plane and then try to fly on an airplane all the way there.
Anyways,
To the UK. We're in the garage. There's a fridge in the garage.
the fridges were in the garage doing this fridge. If you do like this video so far, give it a like. And if you do like it, hit that subscribe button, like smash it. Smash that subscribe button.
By the way, if you want to know who made the person that made the Prime, like in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. KSI and Logan Paul made the Prime. Like in the comments if we think we should make another video next Sunday. Actually, Tuesday. What's today?
Today is Saturday.
What's tomorrow?
Sunday,
What's the day after that?
Monday,
What's the day after that?
Tuesday.
We should do it on that day. Do you hear that, guys? You better. Bye, guys. By the way, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Okay. No.